Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload content or when I go live. And today I'm here to let you all know that I'm starting a junk journal style Friends Across the Miles journal. And I would like to have items from all my friends in the craft community across in the US, the like I said, across the miles. It doesn't UK, it could be from anywhere. I will do a process video of how I'm going to put the journal together and how I'm going to do the layouts for each person. And let's see how it goes. Thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be happy, be crafty, stay safe, be blessed. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.